Got the Ranger back going, putting the motor in it yesterday. I'm making a video of a bunch of pictures and first start and stuff like that. But okay, on these Rangers, you got this quick release setup, basically where you plug it in the slave cylinder, and this clip basically is supposed to snap around and hold the line from popping off. Okay, well, mine, I'm filing a little bit, but mine, you can see the edge, it's all rounded off. I'm taking it off so many times. But so I tried putting a flat file on it and going around it, making a groove, but I didn't really think it was working. So I got an old clip. I got another brand new clip to contact Precision Clutch. They actually sent me out a couple clips I think a couple years ago because I was having kind of the same issue. But I'm gonna try to fix it this time. Basically, so just take the clip, put it on there, like the bottom part, and just pinch it, and just keep going all the way around, and keep pushing against that groove. And well, let's hope it fucking works, because I'm real tired of this line popping off. I know a lot of you other guys are too, because there ain't nothing about it in anywhere. Like, except for, oh, you can get a threaded connection, things like that, but I didn't want to do all that. So my plan, basically, it just remakes the flat spot, like, you know what I mean, for the clip that sit on the 90 degree. But alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and do this some more, and let's, oh yeah, and then also too, basically got your master upside down because putting air in the system, basically. So this is how you're gonna burp it and drain it. And oh, so do this a little more, and I'll get back to you guys. Right, so got your brand new clip. Basically, it's a little bit smaller, so I think it's gonna work a little better. This fucking bee right here. Do you not see this fucking bee? It's kind of pissing me off. I'm allergic to them. All right, so you got your new sleeve. It comes with the kit. Don't worry about this thing. This is for about a minute. The bee's still up there. It's like I'm not scared of him. I'm just allergic to him. But okay, so take your old sleeve off. They give you an O-ring too, but this one's alright. It's not broke or anything. Get your new sleeve. Put your new sleeve on. Now I gotta find that clip I just had in my hand. This is how it is. I'm gonna find it and I'll get right back to you guys. Alright, found it. Alright, so I'll take your little brass piece so you can get the clip in here. You get a sticky figure in the hole. Make sure you get the clip in. And then basically find where I cut the grooves. They're the better sides. You turn this sideways. Just give her a good push. There we go. Nice and tight. You hear the click. There we go. Clutch line fix. Yeah. Maybe. Gotta go pump pedals. But alright, so now we're gonna push the pedal down or something, move the seat forward, hold the pedal down, loosen the valve. Basically, bleach your clutch. Same thing as your brakes. on, pump off. We're still on. We're still good. Sweet. Now we tighten it back up, release the pedal, push it back down, same thing again. Pedal's getting firm. Check brake fluid. Still a bit of brake fluid. And now, same thing. A couple more times, and we might be able to actually finish everything else in the truck. Turn it back again. Alright, one more time, a couple more times. Well, I guess I'll show you all this, but basically this, until you get all the air of the line, basically when you release it, no more, it doesn't like have air and brake fluid pressurize the line. It's just straight fluid coming out. But let me get this finished, about maybe a couple more pumps, and then top off oil, and then I'll show you guys how to bleed the coolant system.